Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will do a paper presentation of income tax subject which will be helpful for you, for the regular students as well as the backlog students. Okay, as my previous dialogue only, I will use it now. So how much you have learned is not important, how much you are presenting, how much you are putting down in the examination booklet is important. Okay, so paper presentation video is very helpful for the students to score good grade, good impression from the evaluator, so automatically your grades also will increase it. Yes, so especially there are certain tips which you need to follow in the income tax examination. The first tip is use black pen only. Again and again, and students will use blue pen, and again students will ask in the comment section, I have used blue pen, what happens? Nothing will happen when you use blue pen, but when it is a digital correction, black will be more visible, your explanation, your answers will be more clearly visible with the black pen. So that's why I will ask the students to use only black pen in your examination. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to follow it. So next tip, ma'am, when you are taking your booklet from the invigilator, your booklet will be like this. Okay, in the edges the printing will be not like it is in it will be not in a good way. So what you need to do, you need to make it as a clear detailed lines here, and make it a small line over here, small line, very small line, only ½ inch line, it is more than enough. So your answer will become in a square one. Some of the students, what they will do, half of the page they will keep that line only to increase that booklet pages. Don't do that things. Okay, so they can easily identify whether the student is using that technique or not. Okay, so don't use that. A small half length of your scale, make it and draw it a line, so that whatever the answers in the edges, it will be clearly visible to the invigilator as it is a digital correction. And third thing what you need to do is first attempt part B. And in the part B, if you are attempting any theory question, for example first unit may you are attempting theory question, in this column question number 9, here under the column you write A or B. If you are attempting A, B means B. Inside the booklet, this means after this line, whatever the page is there, in that only you need to include the points. Some of the students, what they will do, for example definition is there, definition you will write it over here, point number 1, like this you need to write point number 2. What some of the students will do means, here only they will write point 1, point 2, point, it is wrong. Here you need to write inside only the points which is related to the answer. Outer column low only you should have the question number. Except the question number, nothing should be mentioned in the outer line. Yes, all the things should be entered in the inner thing only. And when you are attempting theory from the first unit, try to draw the flow charts. How can you draw the flow charts? Like this you can, for example agriculture income they have given, agriculture income, land should be situated in India, income should derive from the agriculture sector, revenue generated from, like this whatever the points you have learning for the side headings, the same side headings keep it in the brackets and make it a flow chart so that it will look good. So like this, yes, like this if you do means your answer will become lengthy and definitely it will look good. So when you are attempting 12 marks, 3 sides of the answer is must and should. When you are attempting 4 marks means 1.5 side is must and should. Must. Below that you should not write it. 3 sides compulsory for 12 marks and 4 marks 1.5 side is compulsory. Okay. So this is the thing about the paper presentation of the income tax. Next, when you are attempting problematic, attempt your problematic in a fresh page only, whatever the thing you are having. For example, here your answer is ended. Try to write something and finish this paper. After that, when your new paper will come, means there you start your, like for example income from salaries, started in a new paper, income from house property, started in a new paper, working notes is compulsory. Whatever the rough work you are doing, make it as a working notes below the table and do it. For income tax, second unit, third unit and fifth unit, fourth unit also, working notes is compulsory. And backside of your booklet, the last page of your booklet, make it as a rough work with a pen and do all the rough work over there. In the question paper, don't do. Why I am saying you to do rough work in the booklet means it will give a good impression to the evaluator that you have practiced something, you have done your rough work also. So that he or she will get to notice that you all know about the subject and easily you will get passed in this subject. Okay, so this is the thing. And when you are drawing the proformas also, neatly present it. For example, here inside the column you are making a box. Net consideration, amount column amount, minus selling expenses, net consideration, index cost of acquisition. Formula compulsory working notes lo rayali, definitely you need to write it. After writing that, you need to step by step formula explanation is also important. Some of the students, what they will do means they all substitute the formula in the rough work, they will put the final answer in the booklet. That time your marks will be deducted. Mainly substitution they will check. For example, formula is there, FMV into CII of year of sale year and 2001 to 2002. They will do all these things in the rough work. They will put the final amount 58 here. That time marks will be given? No, they will not give full marks. They will give only half mark because half of the answer you have done in the rough work only. No, you need to show that in the working notes. Working notes is mandatory in income tax subject. Okay, and when you are attempting each and every question, try to put the question numbers correct in your question papers. And when you don't know the question, but also still you need to attempt it. Whether you know or don't know the question, attempting is very much important. If you attempt at least 5 or 6 marks, you will be able to score it instead of leaving it. Yes, whatever you can understand by that, just attempt it. Attempting is important. At any cost in the 3 hours of your duration, 5 long, 5 short, definitely you need to attempt it. So this is about your paper presentation of income tax. I hope that you have got clarity. Maintain these tips in your examination. Just follow this. So definitely you can get a good grades. Okay, it will increase your grades 110%, and good handwriting is also important. Understandable handwriting is important. Yes. So stylish handwriting is not needed, but your words should be understandable when we are reading, when someone is reading. Yes, so this is all about the video of paper presentation. I hope that you have got clarity. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. Whether this video is useful or not, also let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination and preparation. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.